Hey everyone, Craig with Reflections Exterior Services out of Salisbury, Maryland. We're here in Lewes, Delaware. We're doing some touch-up power washing for a customer. We're doing some hard surfaces for him. One of those being his brick steps. There's a lot of shade, a lot of tree overhang here in this development, and as a result, a lot of your hard surfaces get a lot of algae buildup. And this is more than just a cosmetic issue. I mean, obviously it doesn't look great, but when this gets wet, this is extremely slippery. You can fall down pretty quick with brick that has algae on it. So to maintain this on a regular basis is advantageous, not only to improve the look of your home, but also the safety of your home. So I'm just gonna do a quick demo on what we can do to help brighten up this brick step. And we'll touch that up even a little bit more, but as you can see, the difference between that and that. So if you have any hard surfaces, concrete, brick, pavers, give Reflections Exterior Services a call today. We'll get you cleaned up. 410-430-2893, or you can now visit us at www.roofcleaning-delmarva.com. Thanks for watching.